Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you just have to turn your device off by holding power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. After you see this kind of robot and the no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to select an option wipe cache partition, using volume keys to navigate to it and power key to select it. So let's select this option, then you have to confirm it by selecting yes. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.